The Lose Tournament Speed Spin. Can we fix it?
Maintenance.
Maintenance.
Bring up that take water. Give me a hose. Give me a hose. Dummy-o. Follow your dummy-o QB to the Mudford scrimmage.
Shit, them boys is having the time of their lives. No doubt about it.
Left on one. Ready? Break! Go, Big Mike! Sit! Dave, Mike, what are you doing? What kind of Lulu formation you pulling? Secret. Oh, it's a secret. Your dummy-os can't even run a simple draw. And you got secret formations called the OPU. Oh, it's the OPU. OPU. This is the best.
We're going to take a look at this Lose Tournament Speed Spin today. Apparently it's making some noise. Probably hasn't been taken apart in a couple years.
No.
Maintenance.
But it does catch 6-pounders.
Take it apart, clean it up. Hopefully it doesn't have a broken spur gear in there. And see what we can do with it. We're going to get out of this room because it's a little tight in this fishing hole. This is a fishing hole for one, not for two. So...
Tournament speed spin, maintenance. Let's go.
Actually spins really nice.
Yeah, look at that. Interesting. Yeah, I don't remember it taking that long to come off. First hurdle.
Sure shit, dude. I'm not gonna freaking break it.
You got me. Let's see this.
I don't think I'm using a fucking screwdriver.
What's coming? This might be the shortest maintenance video in history. There we go.
What the fuck?
It was like something was stripped, or I think you just yeah. We'll get it eventually. See, they always say 2 heads are better than 1. I don't know if that's true in this case, but we'll go down swinging. I assure you. Screw that holds it. That's why I wasn't coming. That's not holding it right there.
No, this is all part of Peter's that center plastic part. That just holds the slide.
Oh,
That shit in there. This piece here is part of this center section, so you got to bend it to get to this stupid screw. And we're already, look, we already creased it a little bit from pulling back on it.
Yeah.
That is the stupidest freaking thing ever.
Some gear oil in there or something. Or some real oil.
Bearing in there. Ooh, on top of that.
That's what you call a complete overhaul.
Oh, you're talking about just opening up that
Yeah, I think most people would
that
just
part there, just
open
dump a
that
little
up.
bit of oil in
Yeah.
it. Yeah, but what was causing that click?
Yeah, good point. No idea.
You want to come out.
Another bearing in there? Inside there and then.
Because there's that little spring in there.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That little mother, that little bitch right there.
That would be the undoing of us. That would send us to DEFCON 3.
Yeah. Hopefully no explosions in this video.
No. Nope. Leave the toaster on the counter.
But we haven't put it back together yet.
No.
If we stare at them long enough, maybe it'll come to you.
I don't This is why you take your shit apart and put it in order the way it goes back, which we didn't do. And we did that on purpose to show you why you don't do that. Did you dig that piece out?
I was working on it.
You know, hey, you know what? That actually rides on that bearing. That inner part rode on that bearing right there.
Right. That's what I'm saying. That could have been the click
right
I
there.
don't know if it's gone. I was.
No, it looks gone. You're the one that's fucking wearing glasses. Ah,
What?
mother bitch.
What did you forget?
I didn't forget shit. There's a screw right there. So this hunk of
That
shit
holds
here
that
can come
up.
off.
Yep. Of course there is. It was camouflaged because it was black like the rest of the reel. Something's not right with that. There's something with that mechanism. Of course. Seeing bad things with springs involved.
Put that screw in there.
It doesn't matter which one.
I don't give a shit. At this point, I really don't think it. Oh, no, there was no hold on. We lost it.
How about I'll pull it in the driveway for you. 3-hour road trip. It's at the top and the bottom.
It's in there. Wow. Jeez. Fucker's heavy though.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a heavy one. I wasn't looking into real weights at the time.
Good backup.
Yeah. Yep. Emergency reel. It's late. We made it.
That was a pain in the butt. Still couldn't fix the noise. Still hear it. We don't know what it is. Smooth. It still has that noise in it.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd call it a success, but live and learn. Live and learn, we'll call that one.
It wasn't that dirty. It was just...
We're not exactly sure what it was.
No. No, but it's clean and it's oiled up. Again, it'll make a nice backup reel.
Right?
Throw it in the box and hope you never have to use it.
Yeah. A little emergency action if needed.
It did catch a 6-pounder.
It did. It did. With a frog on a spinning reel.
Really like to know what the difference is between that one and that cheap one. Because this is $80. The new ones are different, of course.
Right.
This is a couple years old.
Yeah.
I'd like to see the difference in them, but I really don't want to tear it apart again
No.
and put it back together and have to search the internet for a freaking diagram because
Right.
I can't figure out where two little washers go.
Yep.
If you like this, hit the button. Let us know what you like on there. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, across the board at Oop to Oop Fishing.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Maintenance.
Maintenance.